Hello, my name is Dr. T. Wu, and I'm the CEO of PMO Advisory. One of the greatest challenges confronting organizations of all sizes and types is business execution. If you're listening to this video, and if you're on a senior role in your organization, you know that business execution is either number one, number two, maybe number three priorities in your organization. And the reason is that studies have shown consistently that up to 90% of these strategic initiatives fail to live up to its expectation. In fact, the bar of that expectation is often so low in some organizations and communities that most executives actually expect its major initiatives to fail, or at least not to do particularly well. And these include things like mergers and acquisition, major, let's say, enterprise resource planning, application implementation, transformational programs. And these are, of course, depending on the organization, they could be multiple millions and sometimes hundreds of millions of dollars. There are many, many factors contributing to this dismal state of implementation. And many of them are beyond what this course or this conversation is about. But the one that most organizations actually have the immediate power to act is to find the right executive leading that charge, leading those enterprise projects. In the project management community, we often talked about the rise of the Chief Project Officer, or CPO. And this discussion has been ongoing for easily the last 20 years. I am not sure if the CPO title today is actually any more popular than 10 years ago. It may be so on the fringes of things. But there is a generation of leaders, whether their title is Senior Vice President of Project Services or Head of Global Project Management. These senior leaders are essentially taking the reign of that CPO. Now, if you are in that position or aspire to be that position, I'm sure you actually know that there aren't that many training programs out there for you. There are general management, leadership training, but they're not designed for that chief transformational role of leading projects and creating that environment of execution excellence. As a leader in project management training and consultancy, and as a PMI registered education provider, I am still a project executive. I still engage on major transformational projects for my clients. What we have done is work internally to create a modular program, a modular course designed to elevate the senior project leaders. This modular design is delivered in blended mode, live virtual, some face-to-face classes. And there are about 20 modules currently that we have put together. The total time commitment for this coursework is about 40 hours. Most modules are between 2 to 4 hours. And they are delivered across a 2 to 3 month period. So participants, especially the very busy executives that you are, can join and participate in that modular fashion. You also earn the corresponding number of PDUs or educational unit if you have a desire to attain the PMI certifications. Let me give you some sample just of the first 4 modules that we have, and the rest you could read online. Starting with making strategy work. This module is designed to give you the understanding as well as the tools to connect business strategy with action. Next, we have enabling strategic business execution. This will provide you with a roadmap to help you embark on a journey to take your organization from the current state to a desired future state in which it is better at execution and achieve sustainable execution excellence. 3, designing governance, optimal governance that works. As I'm sure you know, in your organization, politics is everywhere. So this module is really about making sure that you make the right decision in the right way. 4th, championing change. This module is really about how to best lead in the transformation of the organization and making change happen and make sure that they stick. These courses are really based on a combination of leading thinking, best and common practices that we have seen, as well as some of the latest academic research in management, project management, and could be other related fields, product management, for example. All of these are designed to give you the best blend of training content and delivered and facilitated by senior business executives in their own right. Sounds interesting? Please join us and learn more at www.pmoadvisory.com/CPO. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.